Every university claims to be the best. Georgian National University SEU is one of the largest private university in Georgia with 8,000 to 11,000 students. Students rotate across multiple hospitals in Tbilisi with a capacity of 5,300 beds. Clinical exposure includes emergency care, gynecology, pediatrics, surgery, and nanotology. What truly differentiates SEU University is how students learn. They have 3D anatomy labs, cadavers, high-end stimulators, team learning centers, and robotic surgery training centers. SEU follows a computer-based MCQ exam system which directly aligns the students for FMGE, next examination, PLAB or USMLE. Let's talk about FMGE passing ratio for SEU, Georgian National University. It's around 60.39%. So this actually reflects the FMGE passing ratio. In the sense, it is actually aligned with the assessment style of the university, better academics determination, and also the student preparation. SEU University membership includes European University Association, Indian University Association, Association of Commonwealth Universities, and is recognized by World Directory of Medical Schools, WHO, eligible for USMLE and PLAB, and ECFMG recognized by NMC India. SEU runs on institutional research fund, whereas students can participate in funded projects, present at conference, publish research, work at hospitals via clinical studies, and research areas includes cardiology, neurology, and clinical medicine. SEU is located in the heart of Tbilisi, whereas the facilities include gym, sports club, career fairs, and student support system. Plus, the Indian students benefit from Indian food availability and student society